Another forthcoming airdrop project I wouldn't like you to miss out on is Sysfi, and their token name would be SYN. A total supply of 420 million token. Listing will be coming up by November, December this year, and we are just close to it. So it's not as if you have to mine for 2 years, 1 year before you get something. No, it's just by the corner. So I think it will be wise for us to jump right into this one to get started and see how it goes. 420 million in total supply, and 20% will be given to the community for airdrops and incentives. Okay, so we shouldn't just miss out on this. Excluding the farming process, there are NFTs to be minted, but this video is exclusively for farmers, so I won't be talking about anything that has to do with depositing or using your money to mint NFTs, just the free version. All right, so let's jump right into this tutorial ASAP and let's get started. After clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, okay, just make sure you install the app, download and install the app, then you click on open. Once you click on open, this is what the website would actually look like. Just click on get started since it's your first time. Come in here, give your email, create a password, re-enter the password, then enter the referral code, okay, so that you'll be getting free 10 token. If you don't, you won't be getting it. Okay, so make sure you insert the referral code, click on I agree terms and conditions including privacy policy, then you click on create accounts. A link will be sent to your email for verification. Make sure you go there and verify, after which come back and log into your accounts. Once you're in, this is what the interface would actually look like. As you can see, the conversion will be 1:1 ratio. That is, 1 point is equivalent to 1 token. Okay, this is the announcement section. To get a referral link, I just click there. Okay, you'll be getting, I think, 10 points here. Okay, 10 spark, yes, which you'll be getting. Come to this task section, perform simple tasks such as like, retweets on X, and so on and so forth. Just very simple tasks you just need to perform. All right, this one is a daily task, so you come every day to perform these tasks. Come to this social task, is a one-time task, so you just need to do it just once, complete this task and also get more points. When you come to this farm on daily basis, come here and do your check-in. Every 12 hours you should come here and do your check-in. For every day you check, you get more token. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this daily check-in. This is your referral column. You get to see those you have referred and so on and so forth. Yeah, it's that simple. Once you come here, click on these 3 dots at the top right, those 3 lines at the top right corner. There is human verification. I think for now it's not opening, but once it's available I will let you know. Okay, so make sure you join my WhatsApp group for further information. Just as you have seen, it's that simple. Just sign up, get your account ready, and make sure you use the code given to you, because that's the only way you'll be getting additional points. Yeah, without that code you won't be getting additional points, so make sure you get started ASAP. All right, don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this one. See you on the next one.